Today we are going to talk about 12 gifts that you can give to your friends, to your family, and even to yourself for only $50. Hey everyone, this is Dr. Lowell Sala once again of NYC Emerging Healthcare Technology, your go-to place if you want to learn more about blockchain, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, and web development in healthcare, and also if you want to learn more about digital health. So today I'm very excited. As you can see, it's almost Christmas and we have our Christmas tree ready and we're ready to celebrate Christmas. Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, jingle, jingle. Which is why I'm also very excited to talk about the 12 gifts that you can give for your friends, for your family, and even to yourself for only $50 and under. Now, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to click that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you will be able to hear and see every time I upload new videos and new contents. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock, jingle bells ring. Alright, so before I begin, I just want to mention that all the description of these 12 tech gifts that I mentioned are down below. So if you want to purchase them, just click on the link, and of course, please also read the descriptions down below. Alright, so I think it's best to continue now to go on the 12 tech gifts. So the first gift, or the 12 first tech gifts that I want to talk about is this 10-inch ring light with extendable tripod stand. So it is a Selfie ring light features with high sensitivity touch panel design, and it has 3 color modes. So this is what it actually looks like. So it has a cool white, warm, yellow, and daylight, and 10 brightness level. Now I specifically like this one, especially if you're the type of person who wants to create, exciting YouTube videos. You wanna, make yourself look nicer in front of your audiences. If you're using your iPhone, especially, then this is one of the products that I specifically recommend. So this is a tripod which extends from around 15 inches to up to 50 inches, and it has a pocket size Bluetooth remote, and it only costs $37.99 US. So roughly around less than $50. Now the next product I want to talk about is the smartphone video vlogging set. The advantage of this one, it has a high performance microphone, this package, which comes with a phone holder and a mini. So this is a mini phone holder, and it also has a mini tripod. So this tripod, you can mount it with your carded mic or smartphone, and I specifically like it because you can actually use this with your other cameras. All the other cameras that you have, you can also use this mini tripod. It includes a carrying case, a case practically, and it costs only $48.99 US, and it also has this it makes the voice a lot easier, actually, this condenser. So the next product that I'm going to talk about is the mini drone. So it's the UFO 4000. It is easy remote control drone, and this drone actually performs 360 degrees flips with the push of a button. It's portable. It measures 5.5 inches by 5.5, and it flies up to 18 minutes with 2 rechargeable batteries. And of course, it's not very expensive because it only costs around $38 US, less than the $50 that we were talking about. So the next part that I want to discuss is this OnEar Headphones, which I actually have it here. So it is a headphone with durable ear cushions, and it has a durable folding design. It's easy inline control with a microphone, and it makes it easier to make calls and support a wide range of devices such as your laptops, the one I have here, MP3 and MP4 players, and it's very cheap. It's only around $7.99. Actually, you can buy a lot more products that I mentioned, if you purchase the OnEar headphones. So the next one is the Fire 7-inch tablet. So it's a 7-inch IPS display. It has the advantage of this one again is it has 16 GB or 32 gigabyte of internal storage, and you can increase this to around 512 with your micro SD card. And it is faster. It's a 1.3 gigahertz quad processor. It's up to 7 hours of reading, browsing the web, and of course watching your favorite videos. I hope I am one of your favorite YouTube videos. And it also has a 2MP front and rear facing camera with 720p high definition video recording. It has a dual band Wi-Fi, and it costs only $49, which is around less than $50. Now make sure also, because most of the deals that I got here are very cheap, but come January, of course, the prices may not be the same. And I also want to mention, because a few months from now, I'm actually part of a startup which helps for clinical trials, and we are hopefully trying to use this Fire tablet, which is one of the reasons I actually love the Fire tablet. Especially the display for this one. Before I continue, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to click that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you will be able to hear and see every time I upload new videos and new contents. And also, don't forget to make the comment so that I will also know which videos you like and I can go on creating more videos such as this one. Now the next, it's a little out there product that I'll be talking about. So this is the Spy Pen camera. So it is a pen with a slider cover lens which you can be clipped on a notebook or a shirt pocket, and you can insert your micro SD card and then record with your one click. So I like this one here for a spy person or make secret recordings. And it also uses 1080p video resolution, and recording time is 150 minutes, and it costs around $36.89, so less than $50. Be very cautious though, and make sure that you're doing everything legally when you're using a spy pen camera, that you're not doing it legally, because you might get problems later on. So this is a caveat that I want to mention. The other one that I'm going to talk about is the Echo Dot smart speaker with Alexa. So it is the most compact smart speaker. It has a voice control your music, and you want to stream your songs. It has voice control smart homes, and in terms of connecting with others, so it is also designed to protect your privacy. It only costs $24.99, or roughly around $25, so way below the $50 that we were talking about. Now I want to talk about this because one of the things that you're probably noticing is the word IoT. So IoT means Internet of Things, and actually the Echo Dot smart speaker, smart homes, is actually an example of the Internet of Things, the IoT that we are talking about. So that's practically, so I'm just telling you right now, the future that we are talking about is already here. And IoT is an example of this one is your Echo Dot smart speaker with Alexa. And the next one, of course, we cannot go about our 12 tech gifts without talking about, sanitizer, especially in this day of age, in this day of COVID. So this one is a UV light sanitizer for your phone. It has a full coverage with 2 UVC germicidal lead at 70 cycles per charge, which completely surrounds your phone for 30 seconds per slide. It is free of chemicals and can sanitize for 1 minute duration, and it is designed for a variety of phone size as well as jewelry, keys, and other essential items. It only costs around $45, way less than the $50 that we were talking about. Now the next part is the blue microphone. Now, especially if you don't have to be a podcaster actually to get this one, because it is a custom condenser which offers crystal clear audio frequency response to 40 to 18 kilohertz, and it records vocals, create podcasts, and then it easily plugs to your PC or Mac. It only costs $49.99, again $50. And if you're if you're recording via YouTube, you're creating videos and you're creating your microphone, it's best to have a separate microphone, which is why I actually have a separate microphone, and this is one of the best microphones that's out there. Now the next one, of course, is because we want to be clean. See this? I'm currently shaved with the body trimmer and shaver. So I like this one because it's a dual size, especially for guys out there. For women, if you want to give gifts to your boyfriends, to your parents, to your fathers, for example. Another product that you could think of is the body trimmer and shaver. So it's a dual-sided handle which allows you to shave and trim all body zones with one tool. So all body zones, especially with also of hair all over. So it has 5 adjustable length and self-sharpening blades, easy to clean and use, wet or dry, and it is 80 minutes cordless after 1 hour of charge. It only costs, again, less than $50, around $49.95. The next one is, of course, the wireless earbuds. It's a hi-fi audio that covers a full range of frequencies. It is Bluetooth earbuds with refined 2mm drivers and a bass tube to enrich low frequency effects. It also upgraded because of its noise cancellation aspect. And it's also long 28-hour total playtime and one-step pairing. It only costs $49.99, less than, again, the $50 to. This next product that I'm going to talk about is the wireless solar charger. Now, I specifically like this one, and I included this one because it has an advanced cable-free solar power bank charger with wireless output, which supports all QI-enabled phones such as your iPhone 11 Pro Max, your XS Max, and your Samsung Galaxy, your S20, your S10, and your Note 10. I want to emphasize that, of course, because I want you know when you're purchasing something, I want you to also be aware and familiarize yourself that you need to make sure that your products that you are purchasing are compatible. Now, I mentioned I like this one because it is fast charging with 4 devices simultaneously, and you can fully charge your iPhone 11 in only 1.3 hours. And it's also equipped with solar panel. And especially right now with climate change, I think it's also very important to be aware. And you can also get recharged via sunlight and with a built LED flashlight. And again, it is not very expensive. It only costs around $38.99 US dollars, way below the $50 that we were initially talking about. And I think that's the end. Now, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to click that subscribe button, guys. And I want to thank you once again, and I hope you have a happy holidays. Bye.
Just the